Hi friends, this is Selvijay here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I am going to discuss about how we can enable SSH access in a Cisco ASA firewall. So for that reason I have connected a Cisco ASA firewall, and to the inside interface I have connected Cisco switch 1, and to the outside interface I have connected a Cisco switch 2. So ASA has two interface, one is inside and the outside. So the inside security zone by default assigned a security level of 100, and outside is less trusted, so by default assigned a security level of 0. Okay, and always traffic flows from the higher to the lower security zone. So first let us configure the interfaces and the associated security levels with the IP address. Then we'll enable the SSH access in a Cisco ASA firewall, and then we'll test the connectivity from this Cisco switch 2 to this ASA firewall. So these are the steps I am going to perform. So for a better understanding, let us go to the configuration. So let us go to ASA firewall and let us quickly configure the directly connected interfaces and the security zone. Okay, so name IF inside, security level is 0, IP address is 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0, and let us do a no shut. Similar way for the second interface. This is gigabit 0 by 1. Okay, so gigabit 0 by 1, name IF outside, and security level is 0 by default, which is less trusted, and the IP address is 192.168.2.1, 255.255.255.0, and let us do a no shut. Okay, so we are done with the interface configuration. So before proceeding with the configuration, let us view the running configuration. So the running configuration is inside is assigned a security level 100 with IP 1.1, and outside with the IP 2.1 with a security level of 0. So we are done with the basic interface configuration. So now let us go ahead and enable the SSH. So prior to enabling SSH, I have to create a username and password. Then I am going to enable the AA authentication command. After that, I will be enabling the SSH. So there are three commands for enabling SSH. So let us go to ASA Firewall, and first let us generate the key. So crypto key generate RSA is a command. Just click enter, click yes. So we generated the key. Now let us create the username and password. So username Cisco, password is also I'm giving Cisco, privilege 50. Okay, so we are done with the second command. So now I'm going to enable the AAA authentication. So AAA authentication, then we have to give SSH console local. Okay, so this is the third command. So now I'm going to access the enable the SSH. So you have to specify SSH with a specific IP address, destination address, and the interface name, that is an outside interface. So let us go here, SSH 192.168.2.2, 255.255.255.255, interface name is outside. So these are the four commands we enabled. First we have done crypto key generate RSA, then we have created the username. Okay, then we have specified the AA authentication, then I enable the SSH. Okay, so we are done with the ASA configuration for enabling SSH. So now let us go to Cisco switch 2. I already defined this IP address. IP is 2.2. Then I have created a default route to 2.1. Okay, let us go to Cisco switch 2. So show run interface gigabit 0 by 1. So this is a thing, and also I created a route. Okay, so include route, already created a static route pointing to this interface 2.1. So now let us telnet from Cisco switch 2 to ASA firewall, not telnet, sorry, it is SSH. So SSH minus L. Okay, and the username is Cisco, then the IP address of the ASA firewall 192.168.2.1. Okay, so now it will prompt for the password. So after entering the password, it will directly take you to the ASA firewall. Okay, so let us go here. So it's prompting for the password, enter Cisco. So it will directly take you to the ASA firewall. Go to enable, just click enter. I have not set the password for ASA, enable password. Okay, so we are done with the configuration. So what are things we have done today is, first we have configured them directly connected interfaces. This I have configured as an inside, and this is an outside security zone. Then we have configured the crypto key generate command for generating the key for SSH. Then we have enabled the AA authentication SSH command, and then we have created the username and password and SSH outside command, right? Because we are enabling from the outside, we are accessing SSH from the Cisco switch 2 to ASA firewall. That's the reason I have to specify this command. So here you can specify like SSH 0.0.0 outside, or I can give the specific interface IP. So here I'm giving 192.168.2.2. Then I am specifying this mask and outside IP, right? So this is the way we can configure the SSH in Cisco ASA Firewall. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.